Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vamshik Shetty, pursuing final year B in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the one of the research paper on the environmental protection and the management system. That is environmental protection in the farming system. Now let us delve into the research paper. That is, first let us discuss on the introduction on the environmental protection in the farming system, the agricultural and the ecosystems. The need to balance the food production with the ecosystem production and the sustainable farming focuses on the long-term environmental health alongside the agricultural productivity. And the key issues are the soil degradation, pollution, and the resource depletion. And the main objective is to promote the sustainable practices that preserve the natural resources and the biodiversity. This is about the overall introduction on the environmental protection on the farming system. Now let us discuss on the importance of the soil production. The essential of our soil fertility increases by using the organic fertilizers and the crop rotations. Technique like contouring and the contour plowing, shutter belts, and terracing to prevent the soil erosion. Proper tillage techniques to preserve the soil moisture and the fertility, and the maintaining the organic content in the soils for the long-term fertility and the productivity. This is about the overall importance of the soil production in the farming system. Now let us discuss on the role of crop rotation in the sustainability. Nutrient management reduces the leaching and the preserves soil fertility by rotating crops with the different nutrient needs. And the erosion prevention, where the crop rotation helps in maintaining the soil cover, reducing the wind and the water erosion. And the pest and the disease control, where the rotation disrupts pest and the disease cycles, reducing the chemical pesticide use. And the soil water retention. So the diverse crops improve the water retention, helping to conserve the water resources. These are the some of the crop protection role in the role of the crop protection in the agriculture farming. That is the nutrient management, erosion prevention, pest and disease control, the soil water retention. Now let us discuss on the water conservation in the agriculture. Efficient irrigation techniques such as drip irrigation to minimize the water waste and the protecting water from the agrochemicals, limiting the runoff of fertilizers and the pesticides into the water bodies, and the drainage management, regulating the drainage systems to prevent the waterlogging and the pollution, drought mitigation, using the crop rotation to improve the soil moisture retention and the reduce the risk of drought. So these are the four important water conservation methods in the agriculture. That is efficient irrigation, protecting water from the agrochemicals, drainage management, and the drought mitigation. And now let us discuss on the rational use of the fertilizers, where the applying fertilizers in the balanced way to prevent the excess to prevent excess and the pollution. Reduce reliance on the chemical fertilizers by incorporating the organic alternatives. Preventing the fertilizers runoff into the water bodies to avoid the eutrophication. Ensuring the long-term soil health by using the nutrients efficiently. This is about the use of the fertilizers in the rational purpose. Now let us move on to the integrated pest management, that is APM. The biological control using the natural predators and the parasites to manage the pests. Reduced pesticide reliances, where the employing non-chemical methods to minimize the environmental harm, and the agro-technical methods we are going to using where we are going to use the cultural practice like the crop rotation to reduce the pest populations, and the selective pesticide use when we need and they apply the pesticides judicially to target the specific pest, reducing the collateral environmental damage. This is about the integrated pest management, that is IPM. That is the where we are going to discuss on the biological control, reduce pesticide reliance, agrochemical agrotechnical methods, the selective pesticide use. Now let us discuss on the reclamation and the restoration, where the four important land reclamation, the restoration process is the reforestation, restoring the degraded land, and the biodiversity preservation, and the land rehabilitation techniques. When we are coming with the reforestation, planting trees and the restoring forested areas to recover the lost ecosystems, and restoring the degraded land, where implementing the practices to restore soil health and prevent the further degradation. When we are coming with the biodiversity preservation, encouraging the diverse plant species to enhance the ecosystem resilience. And when we are going with the rehabilitation techniques, using the compost mulching and the green manures to rebuild the soil structures. So these are the four important land reclamation and the restoration methods. After the reclamation methods, now let us discuss on the benefits of the crop rotation. See, the benefits are the increased yields, soil fertility conservation, erosion control, pest and the weed management. When we are coming with the increased yield, optimizing the nutrient use leads to the better crop production. When we are going with the fertility conservation, crop rotations reduce the need for the synthetic fertilizers and the sustained fertility. And it also helps in the erosion control, where we are going to maintain the topsoil through better coverage and the root structures. And the pest and the weed management, where it going to disrupt the life cycles of the pest and reduce the weed growth without any chemicals. So these are some of the benefits of the crop rotation. After the benefits, now let us discuss on the case study on the crop rotation. That is the soil erosion reduction, where the crop rotations with the deep-rooted plants enhance the soil stability, and the improved soil structure, where the organic matter from the rotated crops improves the soil quality and the fertility, and the lower pesticide use, where we are going to use the rotation reduce the crop rotation reduces the pest and the disease incidence, leading to the less chemical intervention, and the higher crop diversity, where we are going to increase the ecosystem resilience and the promotes the sustainable farming. So this is about the case study on the crop protection in the agriculture farming. Now let us discuss on the what are the future work can be done in the sustainable agriculture to protect the environment, where we are going to focus on the crop protection as a key method to enhance the both the productivity and the environmental sustainability, and the technology integration, where we are going to use the optimization method techniques to maximize the yield while minimizing the environmental impact, and the climate adaptation, where we are going to sustainably form sustainable farming practices helps in mitigate and adapt to the climate change, and the long term goals, combining productivity with the environmental production to ensure food security and the ecosystem health. So these are the some of the future work can be done in the environmental protection in the farming system. That is the focus on the crop rotation, technology integrations, the climate adaptation, and the long term goals. After the future work, now let us discuss on the reference section. So these are the some of the reference paper we have taken for the reference on the production of the environmental system in the environmental nature in the farming system. You can check out this reference for your purpose for the production of the environment in the farming system. Yeah, this is about the reference section. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.